Here I have Motorola Moto G42, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon. No, don't tap on gear icon, tap on the timer icon here at the upper bar. So you can set timer for 3 or for 10 seconds. So let's set it to 3 and try to make a photo. And as you can see, timer works just perfect. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.